BTI AutoClean. AutoClean can automatically load and clean pneumatic vacuum trailers as well as handle dust collection problems while PD transferring on non-vacuum trailers. With BTI's AutoClean, loading a pneumatic tank trailer is as easy as flipping a switch. To operate the system, simply connect your fill line, turn the main power on, select front or rear fill, turn on AutoLoad. That's it. Just stand back and let it work. You can easily toggle between the fill lines without unhooking the hose. Completely automatic with no operator intervention. This system eliminates the need for 30 and 40-inch filter cans and bag houses. Let's watch the system in action. Here you see product flowing into the tank. After approximately 5 minutes of runtime, the system automatically switches to AutoClean mode. Here you see the dusty inlet valve shut, while the recycled valve opens, allowing the system to clean out the filter and recycled material back into the tank. Note that the product being loaded never stops flowing during this process. Let's watch it one more time from another angle. Product loading. AutoClean system cleans the filter media while recycling product back into the tank. Product never stops loading, even during cleaning process. When loading is complete, there is no filter can cleanout required, and no need to clean the blower pre-filter. It's just that simple. For over 2 years now, numerous AutoClean systems have been operational daily across North America, loading various materials flawlessly without a puff of dust. How about your filtration systems? The BTI AutoClean system is the ultimate filtration solution. It's the perfect system for handling dust on vacuum and non-vacuum trailers. Save time, save labor, save material. BTI AutoClean. Let's talk. Give us a call for more information at 800-841-5524 or visit our website at bulktankinc.com.